that's the sauce that I'm cooking right now. That's going to be sauteed on top of the meatballs to make the meatball sandwiches. Right now, the meatballs are in the oven, cooking at 475 Fahrenheit. As far as the taste is concerned, I took a meatball from each one, and I tasted the meatball since that was really the only thing that was altered was the meatball. The modified meatball tasted it was less salty, and besides that, I didn't really taste too much of a difference between the two. Just the salt. The texture was about the same. It smelled the same. The coloring was about the same. And I didn't really have any problems with the recipe. The recipe came out fine. Um, the only thing, the only issue I did have was with sending the video. I was able to resolve that. And yeah, so in conclusion, um, the original recipe it had about 1,259 calories. The modified version had 720 calories, so it went down by 536. Um, the total fat was 85 grams for the original, and the total fat for the modified was 44 grams. So the total fat went down by 41 grams. The sodium also went down by 8,296 milligrams. The cholesterol went down by 129 milligrams, and the saturated fat went down by 18. And the reason for those reductions was because the original recipe had 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I cut it down to one. It had one tablespoon of salt. I cut it down to a dash of salt. The garlic powder was 1 teaspoon. I cut that down. No, the garlic powder was 2 teaspoons for the original. I cut that down to 1 teaspoon. And the olive oil was 2 teaspoons, and I cut that down to one.